welcome to West Bay.
Thank you.
And guys, camping. Yes, so kami ng tent, maglalatag just for one night. So ayan, welcome to the new video, mga kasimanwa. Dito kami sa West Bay at magpi-fishing kami mamaya. Ayan si Joe nag-prepare ng aming tent. Supposed to be we here kahapon, kaya nga lang umulan. So ayan ang view, ganda-ganda. So muna kami ng aming tent, guys. Maglalatag. So ito yung new destination namin for just one day. Yeah. So ayan si Joe. Maglalatag muna kami ng aming tent. So ito guys yung caravan site. Ayan, puro caravan yan. Caravan. So, last time nag-camp kami dyan sa may yun, mag-camping. Yan. But today because only one night lang naman kami, so magti-tent lang kami. Yeah. Ay sumasagot si Joe. At doon yung dagat, guys. So ito yung mga gamit namin, guys. Ayan. Ayan, iinom daw muna siya. Kasi holiday. What is it? It's not in the right one. Ayan. You find it?
Correct.
Get it.
Put it in the wrong hole.
You went into the wrong hole. There you are, Mr. Taylor.
Oh, thanks.
Pangpagana.
You have to take over then.
Mm. Yan na guys. Within 5 minutes. So ayan guys, mag-lunch muna kami dahil gutom na. Meron kami ditong chicken, roast chicken, ayan. Salad, mac and cheese and bacon, tsaka ito yung curry, chickpeas and potato, may tinapay, tsaka may donut. Ayan. So kakain muna
Macaroni
kami.
cheese.
Yeah. My head out. Your finger. And guys, kakain muna kami dahil nagugutom na si Joe. So meron kami ditong salad, ha? Wow, the salad is so creamy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Ooh, jump out. Do you want this? It's like an aloo gobi. This
I'll have a little
isn't
bit. Just a little bit and then I'll do the beds.
it? Yeah.
That'll do.
Okay. Do you want chicken? Do you?
I'll have a little bit.
Chicken. This one first. Ooh.
Malay man up. Manak maliit.
No, malaki. Still have the...
No, for me, a little chicken.
You want... Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Yes, konti lang. And then we had...
Kaon.
Nice... Oh, kaon.
Kaon. Konti lang.
Yes. Everything is...
Tinapay.
Yeah. This is a pumpkin nickel.
Tinapay.
What? Come on.
Tinapay kalabasa.
Yeah. Okay. How was your lunch?
Good.
Nice. Oh, they're coming. There's coming. The seagulls coming.
It's cooking in our bag.
Alright guys, kain tayo. Guys,
His ring hit me on the head.
inuha ng seagull yung manok ko.
Did you get it on the camera?
No, I almost. Kinain ng seagull yung manok.
Well, they eat chicken. They're cannibals.
Yeah, the whole drum. Oh. Yung drumstick, guys, kinuha niya.
You got to nowhere.
Yeah. Kinuha niya yung drumstick.
Another one.
Ingat, ingat. Ano? And guys, meron kaming donut. Donut is real. Oops. And make sure the seagull don't eat Joe. Kasi kinain na yung aking chicken.
I wonder where's the nearest water.
I'm not too sure with that. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng init. Kain tayong donut. Sarap. Mayroon siyang raspberry jam.
Well, there's no toilet in here, is there? It's outside.
It's over there on the bottom. Do you want another one?
No. There's work to be done. Ayan na kami makakain na mga ganitong pagkain pa nag-holiday kami. Yes. Ah, there it is. Cool. Would really struggle with that.
Luckily, I found that in by the stairs.
There's a garden like comfy.
So, ayan na guys. Ito na yung aming tent sa loob. Yung mga gamit namin dyan. May cooler. Meron kami dito sleeping bag pag malamig. Meron kaming toilet. Tsaka ito yung electric guys. Sa labas. Yan dyan. Yan. Electric. Yan. Yung ilaw mamaya. So, yan lang. Your phone is here. Yan. Telepono ni Jo. Inahalap niya. Yan. So, yan lang guys. So, upo muna kami dyan. Ayan. Mag-relax kasi ang ganda ng panahon. Uutot daw si Joe. Ayan, ang ganda ng panahon. Super init. So, mamaya pa kami pupunta doon sa dagat. Ang ganda ng view dito sa taas. Ayan, super nice. Ayan. Ang dati namin trabaho ay doon chilling, Joe? You're good.
Adrian will be here about 5 to 6. I get him a couple of feathers, weights, and squid.
Ah, okay. So, hi guys. Pupunta kami muna sa taco shop at bibili kami ng pamain sa isda.
Fishing.
Yeah. So, ito yung ano dito guys. Yung mga how you call this one, Han?
Static caravan.
Yung mga caravan dito
Static.
guys. Static caravan. So, ito yung mga static caravan. Yan. So, kasi summer na dito. Pero hindi holiday ng mga ng school holiday. So, kukunti pa lang yung mga tao dito. Ayan. Meron silang mga balcony din. Parang bahay din. Ayan. 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 Some of them are 3 bedrooms or 2 bedrooms. Yeah.
Yeah, some are 3.
Yeah.
They all have gas canisters.
Ayan, mayroon silang lutuan, lahat kompleto yan sa loob. Pero mahal din yan.
2 big in it and 2 now.
Yeah. So, hot water. Meron din. Ayan. So, ayan, mayroong mga beranda sila.
I'd like to go camping in Scotland, then.
So, again,
I'd like to go camping in Scotland, in the Highlands.
No.
The mountains.
it's cold.
Yeah, and Loch Ness. What's that, dog?
No, it's a kid. Parang baboy na inihaw. Andito sa lahat. Ayan. So, ayan. Merong magaganda. Ayan. You don't have a kid. No, so, ayan. Ito maganda. Ito maganda yung ano nila.
Yeah, that's
Dalawa
nice.
yung...
Nice.
Yeah, this one is two balcony.
I like the black.
There's 2 balcony.
Yeah.
Ayan. Saka ito, maganda. Ayan, meron pa. It's like a very sturdy as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Ang ganda nito,
It's
oh.
not going anywhere for a while.
No. Ayan, so. Ayan guys, dito sa labas. Ayan. Mahangin, it's windy.
Oh, yeah. They have a new parasols.
Yeah, maganda.
Heaters.
Yeah.
I can sit there tonight after fishing.
Yeah, we can do. Ayan.
I think I get fish and chips after we go to the shop.
I'm not hungry at the moment.
Oh, I could eat fish and chips.
Yeah.
I'll save you a bit for later.
Yes. So,
This is the
ayan.
Salt's house.
Yes. So, we stayed here for 16 years, yeah? No, 15, I think.
10.
10.
Yeah.
Sorry.
16 in this country.
Yeah.
So we have to-
So, yan yung dati naming trabaho. Ayan. Diyan kami nakatira sa taas dati. Ayan. 10 years kami dyan. So, 10 years kami dito sa lugar na ito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung river. Pwede ka mag-rent ng boat doon sa dulo. Tapos pwede mong ikutin ito. Sorry. Ayan. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda. Parang hindi ako magsasawa dito pag dito ako pupunta kasi super ganda. Pero at the moment hindi siya masyadong busy kasi may pasok pa yung mga bata. Pero pag talagang full holiday na, ito is maraming tao.
High tide, 7:45 p.m.
Yes.
So hopefully all the fish will be around.
Yeah, so ayan,
Oh,
ito
Mr.
yung
Donut.
mga malaking donut, oh. Ayan. So, ito yung mga tindahan ng mga fish and chips. Ayan, guys. dito.
Real juice.
Oh yeah. They're selling alcohol now in here.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a change of life.
Yeah. So dito yung mga motorbike. Joe, can we go this way? Joe, this way.
Maybe we'll have time for a drink outside the George afterwards.
Yeah. Ayan guys. Dito yung mga motorbike. Ayan sila oh. Tambayan yan dito. Tambayan. Ayan ang ganda oh. Yes. This one is nice oh. Yeah. Ganda ng mga motorbike nila ah. Ayan oh. So, ito yon pag Saturday, Sunday o hapon, marami sila dito nagtatambay. Ay, mga matatanda na, oh. Ayan. Mga motorbike lover. Ayan. So, may bus. Takbo. Ayan.
Talaga opens up now, the Jurassic
Yeah.
coaster.
Yeah. So, ayan. Ganda-ganda ng
Can you
panahon.
tell them this is famous for where the dinosaurs used to roam?
Tell them
Jurassic
that.
Coast. This is the Jurassic Coast, famous for where dinosaurs used to roam.
Yeah.
So many dinosaur fossils.
How many years ago? 1,000 million years ago. Yeah, ayan. Maraming... Ayan. Too heavy. Ayan, si Harley. Oh, look at this one. The humble cycle. Push bike. Ayan. So, pupunta tayo sa may taco shop. O, ayan guys, dito kami pupunta sa Angling Center. Yung pinagbibilhan ng mga pamain sa isda pa. Ayan. Dito marami silang iba-ibang fishing rods, mga ganyan. Ayan oh. Ayan ito. Ayan, ang dami. Ayan. Dito kami namimili ng mga kailangan sa fishing. Oh, sorry. Ayan. Tsaka dito yung mga weights. Ayan.
So, mackerel-wise,
Ayan na. Ito, punong-puno na. Tapos yung mga uod nandoon, yung mga uod sa loob nito. Ayan. Ito yan.
4 hours.
Ayan.
5 hours.
Nilalagay sa ano. Ayan.
can I get some leather and some raspberry?
Anything else for me?
Yeah, I don't know you.
Fresh black lug or frozen black lug, and then we got some rabbit.
So I just bought a nice fishing toolbox for Joe
Thanks. Tackle
because
box.
taco box, not toolbox, because the one he has is broken. Yeah, I think it's more than.
All of them battered and
I think
broken.
it's 13 years old or 15 or something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah. So this one he got a new one. So
And it all fits.
yeah,
And the bottom in case they're pretty heavy.
yeah,
These are quite light.
yeah. Oh, I think on the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the bottom.
See, it's easy for you to carry, isn't
Like
it?
fun.
Yes. So,
Lunch in there as well.
yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Now it's like a square. Like a piazza in Italy.
Yeah. So we're going back to
Look, we'll go to
No.
George.
we're going back to the tent. Or you want to have
George.
drink?
Still
Okay.
got time.
Okay. Oh, you want to drink the one in rice?
No, the Riverside Terrace is nice.
Yeah. Can we go there?
Riverside Terrace.
Yeah. So guys, andito kami and mag-inom daw muna siya. Ayan. So dito kami dati nagtatrabaho. Pero nung nagtrabaho kami dito is hindi pa ganito ka-develop. Simple lang siya. Ayan. So we're gonna have a drink. Ganyan ang view. Ayan. Kanina nandun kami doon sa likod. So ayan, dumating na yung drinks namin. Cheers!
Cheers.
Inom. Ganito pag holiday. Keep drinking. Ayan. So guys, ito yung punta pataas sa camping place. Ayan. Nauna si Joe kasi umihi ako. Ayan. So ayan. Nahingal ako. Ayan, hapon na. It's nearly 6. What is it? Oh, you forgot to buy. So,
I'll make it in the car.
yeah, you sort that out, yeah?
The other one has anyway.
Oh, okay.
Only if you want to fish.
No, I don't want to fish.
Have you seen Chuck in the bike, man?
Yeah, that's alright. You're gonna blow that chair.